Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together the medium stemless wine glass box. First, what I'd like to do, if you want to add the panels, I would add the panels first. It's just easier to put it on while it's flat rather than in box form. A lot of people just want a simple box, so they may not want the panels at all. So it's up to you. And I did include a front panel, the very front with the opening, and the only reason is that that paper would be so small it would be kind of a pain to put it on. So this is just to give your box just a little extra, touch. You can embellish it obviously any way you want. Once the panels are on, we'll proceed to assemble the box, which is quite simple actually. You just want to add glue to that long tab on the right of the front piece, and then you want to line up that edge of the back piece or the other piece, making sure that that top fold and bottom fold match up to the folds on the front. And then I just apply pressure. I want to make sure it's good and dry before I glue the second tab. So it's quite simple to get the second tab. As you see, it just folds over and you add glue to that tab and it just folds over on the other side. This is the nice part about square boxes, is usually you can do it like this and it'll help you line it up. Then my glue bottle is always getting in my way. I don't like to put it up right because it keeps the glue towards the top, so that's why I don't put it up all the time. And there you go. That's that part. So all we actually have to do, after I'm just making sure that's good and set, is glue the bottom portion of the box. So we'll flip over that large piece that makes the bottom. And I find it's easier to do the tab across. Now these are huge tabs for support because glass is heavy. So go ahead and flip it over, make sure it's straight, aligned with the edges. And then the nice part about having that little opening in the front is to be able to apply pressure from within, and then I kind of fold those in and apply pressure from the top as well. Then next we'll glue on each side tab one at a time. You can try to do both if you like, but for me it's easier to do one at a time because they're so large. So again, you can reach in on one side, which is nice. Once you kind of get it fairly set, I usually reach in and apply additional pressure from within. And then we'll repeat it on the other side. And the tabs are actually so large, again, having these large tabs helps give us additional support, especially when you have glass or even those insulated stemless wine glasses. Now this box does fit a 15 ounce, I've found a 15 ounce Luminarc that I tested it on, and it can be sized to hold like an Ozark insulated, but that has to be resized a little bit up, and that's 113%. So here I have white core paper that I was using, so I was just inking the edges to hide all that white, or to tone it down a little bit. But basically that finishes the box. It was a really simple box actually. And then we'll just go ahead and insert the glass so you can see how it fits. And then you see that how you can see the whole, if you have a personalized glass, how it will show in the front. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.